What's good, everybody? Hey, welcome back to my channel. And today we making a banana pudding with me. Hey, don't trip. Hey, so listen, this is gonna be a different type of video right here. Listen, this recipe for this banana pudding was given to me by the lady. Her name is Terry and her husband's name is Clay. They went ahead and shared their recipe with me for making this just outstanding. I don't even know what to say. I don't even have no words to really describe it. Hey, but when I say awesome, it's awesome. You guys might know Terry if you guys watch the Battle of the Kitchens. If you watch that, she's better known as #campaign for me. Hey, anyway, listen, it was a great big, like a huge hit when we went to Aaron Franklin's out in Austin, Texas. You know what? That's the lady and her husband that was there. They brought some banana pudding, and when they brought that, they even brought some for the staff and for Aaron himself. Aaron didn't get none, but listen, the staff got some. Everybody loved it. We met some people there from Louisiana and from Texas. Everybody loved it. So she knew I loved it so much, she went ahead and shared her recipe with me and gave me the permission to just put it out there. If you guys are looking for something that's gonna be outstanding, this is it right here. Check it out. Hey, I hope I didn't butcher it up too much, didn't decorate it probably the way she does hers, but you know what? Hey, listen, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys just how easy it is to make. Hey, listen, she already simplified it. I just made it and just showed you guys. And if you guys like it, go ahead and leave a comment down in the comment section below and tell everybody that, hey, listen, this is a bomb banana pudding. Let's get right into it. As always, I always put the ingredients on the screen as I show the ingredients. But listen, I want to share a story with you. Terry didn't know this, but when I was a kid, I had so much banana pudding and just regular pudding. I said if I ever had pudding again, it'd be too soon. Hey, but I will say this though, when she brought it out, of course I got to taste it. And after that, hey, listen, this is like now my new go-to when I need something sweet and quick. This is it right here, you guys. Hey, so going ahead, with the video, you can see right now I just added the cold water, to the bowl. Went ahead and hit it with the condensed sweet milk, and now the banana pudding. Hey, super easy, you guys. Hey, but you know what? It seems like sometimes if you don't overthink it or overtalk it, it comes out, just whatever you're doing just comes out great. Go ahead, get yourself a whisk it all together. Make sure all your French vanilla has been, mixed properly. Put it in the refrigerator. You want to chill it for about 10 to 12 minutes. Now, get yourself another bowl. Come back with the heavy whipping cream. This was the fun part to me. You know what? It's been a while since I used it like a hand mixer. So, using a hand mixer, you can see, listen, you just want to blend it. I put it on high. And listen, by the way, that KitchenAid right there, I had just bought that, actually just for this. And I want to do a few more cakes while I'm out here on the road. So you can see how thick it is. You just want to make sure it gets these little peaks or whatever. Once it's firm like that, after about 10 to 12 minutes, go to your refrigerator, take your French vanilla out. And then this right here was a little tricky because listen, she put it in the instructions. She told me you got to fold it over. So look, hopefully when she watching this right now and you guys out there knowing, looking at it, if you know, tell me, am I folding it over properly? It took me a minute, but you got to just keep folding it back and forth, making sure it blends properly. Now, go ahead and now listen, this right here, and listen, I'm gonna put what she sent to me in the email. Man, she was very, very thorough. She told me to just go ahead and put a thin layer on the bottom so that my bananas and cookies don't slide. So that's what you just saw right there. Just put, a light coating. I don't know if that was too much or whatever, but you know what? The end result was the end result. And if I tell you, if you had to ask me, I'll tell you from a scale to 1 to 10, this right here is a 10. Now, you see, listen, you want to put it's all in the spacing, and I guess you can't really get this wrong right here, but she drew out a diagram, and that's what I'm following right here. Banana, left a little space, and then you put the wafers, in between, and then you just go ahead and repeat. Once you got your first layer, go ahead and get some more of your vanilla pudding, and just start putting it on the top. Super simple. After you got that coated on the top, then you want to repeat again with your bananas, your cookies, banana cookies until it's done, and then we're gonna cover it again on the top. Now, one thing I did notice, after looking at this, watching this replay and doing this voiceover, I could have been like a little bit more neater, but I gotta say this though, you know what, once you put this out, it's gonna get beat up. So I guess the end result would be, you just want to make sure this top layer is like super smooth, and you want to make sure it's like even. That way you get an even layer over the top of it. So you just want to go ahead. You might end up, it depends on how thick you cut your bananas. You might end up with a little extra, which is fine by me because I love bananas. You know what I mean? So I had a couple pieces left. I went there and hit it with a little caramel and did my own little whipped cream hey, listen, I had that in a little cup. You guys didn't even see that. And so, right here, this is your last layer. If you're using a 13 by 9, which I did right here, you're going to get, 2 layers out of it. So listen, you want to like smooth it. It's almost like making a cake and playing with the icing. Doing my best. You guys let me know down in the comment section below, how did it turn out? And that right there is the final product. Banana pudding, y'all. Hey, so I hope you guys like what you just saw. Super easy to make, and I hope you like this music that I have playing in the background. I'll let you know what kind of mood I'm in right now. Hey, but with that being said, you guys, don't forget to tell Terri, hey, thanks for the recipe. Hey, Terri, I'm saying thank you. It meant a lot to me that you gave it out. I know you said that's your go-to pudding. Listen, now it's out there for everybody. It's everybody's go-to pudding. So with that being said, you guys, listen, if this is your first time watching my channel and you new, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that like button and tell everybody it's a channel out here that's simplifying these recipes and taking the mystery out of cooking. And with that being said, you guys, you know how I do it. I'm out. Peace.